All right, Finley, what have we got?
Some interesting stuff, isn't it?
Now this really good set. To celebrate Hornby's 100th anniversary, their centenary, they've been releasing stuff under their old-fashioned Hornby Duplo range.
Duplo.
Right.
Well, the reason they got the name Duplo is a direct translation into double O. Because originally Hornby used to only make O gauge trains. Then they did the whole crazy, we're now doing 2-rail double O, and did the Hornby Duplo range.
Do they do N gauge?
Hornby did for a while. They did something called
did
mini tricks, but they've stopped doing that now.
Right.
They're just all O gauge right now.
Watch this space.
Yeah.
Because I think that's about to change yet again.
I do think something's cooking up.
So tell us about this train set. What do we know about it? Are we going to take the lid off and have a look inside?
If we want.
Yeah, you're not going to throw it at the ground, are you?
I'm also really desperate not to melt the car.
Yeah, don't throw that one at the ground either.
I got a bad history with this desk.
Here we go.
Yeah. Oh, big
What
reveal.
a beautiful lid.
Yeah,
Looks a bit
nice.
like you, this fellow.
Maybe.
What do you reckon?
No, too rosy cheeks. I'm too pale for that.
So what are
So
we looking at there, Finn?
you can't really, Chris. Let me just move it out of the way.
Yeah,
So we got 2 coaches.
two coaches.
These are what's from the London, Midland, Scotland Railway. These are known as Stanier coaches, named after their creator, William Stanier.
Yep.
And in it, we have a locomotive, which is a little bit difficult to see. So I'll see if I can get it out without hurting it.
And what's the loco?
This is the Duchess of Montrose. This is a London, Midland, Scotland Railway.
Duchess of Montrose.
Yes, it is
Montrose.
a London, Midland, Scotland Railway Coronation class in BR Green. It is a Pacific, which means it has 4 leading wheels, 6 driving wheels, and 2 trailing wheels.
Okay.
Look at all the valve gear.
Oh, it's a very nice valve gear.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting close? Let's go
Yeah.
close.
Go tight like a tiger. I'm reluctant to take it out of the packet though.
So this is the Coronation class was most famous for a Duchess of, I think it's a Hamilton locomotive, which because the first batch of these locomotives were actually streamlined and a very famous type of Art Deco locomotive design. After they were made, however, the next batch were non-streamlined, and then the others had their streamlining removed.
So what year would this be? Is that a silly question?
No, it's not a silly question. They were introduced in 1938.
1938.
Or 1934, one of the two.
One of the two. And this went for how long did this rail go into service for?
They were in service up until the removal of steam on British Railway in 1968.
What?
Yeah, so they lasted about 30 years. It's a good lifespan. They're also known as
Decent, isn't it?
they're also the most powerful by pounds per torque, most powerful steam locomotives ever to run on British railways. They just produce the most power.
It was no Mallard though, was it?
It wasn't as fast as the Mallard, no, but it could outpull it if it was in a direct comparison.
Yeah. And so it's a good loco. It's a nice little set. So it's just a nice round set.
Yeah,
Get you started, and you can add on to this really easy,
yeah.
can't you?
This set is the Royal Scot set, named after the train that the London, Midland, Scotland Railway run.
Put this on
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
so that also
Does that
comes
go
in.
in there?
Yeah, it does. Called the Royal, but named after the actual train they ran, called the Royal Scot. Ran from London to Edinburgh, and it was a very their premier express service. The Mallard actually would have run in the LNER's competitor to that service,
Really?
the Flying Scotsman service.
There you go.
So what does this give you? So it's got some tracks. So
So this
there'll
will
be a
come
controller
you
as
with
well,
an-
would there?
So this comes with an oval of track,
Yep.
locomotive,
Yep.
2 carriages,
Mhm.
and it will. I believe it does come with a controller. Yes,
Yes.
I think it's hidden in one of these slots here.
I
Yeah,
definitely tend to. But that's fantastic. That's
Excuse you.
nothing better than a bit of fart joke, is there?
Oh, we're all old here.
What else have we got in the train department this week?
No, this one's a very nice one.
Oh,
I've taken the liberty to partially open it
have you?
so we could
Should we go from the top now?
get in there. You can talk about it.
All right, so this is known as the Platinum Jubilee LNER, British Railways Class 43 set.
Mhm.
So this is actually a fictional livery that
Oh,
Hornby
yeah.
made. This never existed on a real-life locomotive.
Right.
To celebrate Queen Elizabeth's Platinum Jubilee, Hornby released this exclusive fictional liveried version of the very famous diesel locomotive. So we have both a set here at the shop of these two locomotives. So you get two Class 43s.
Is that 2 locomotives? It's not just one.
They're 2 locomotives. I believe only one of them is powered.
Careful.
Thank you. I nearly just ruined everything.
That's okay.
So yes, only one of them is powered, but the other one.
So that makes it a carriage.
The other, technically, yes.
Yes.
But they do make the complete train. In real life, they ran together as powered locomotives, but they're only one of them's powered in this form.
So is there carriages that would have traditionally gone between these? Because it's
Yes,
2 locos, yeah?
Yeah, in real life, these would have gone between the known as Mark III carriages, which would have been the carriages between these locomotives.
That is fantastic. I love that you know all this stuff, Ben.
We do have in the shop, just came in today,
Yeah.
the Mark III carriages for this specific locomotive.
All right.
The fictional Platinum Jubilee Silver.
Yes.
Oh, so you can get
You
the
can get
locos
and the
you can get
carriages
the
all
rolling
from
stock.
here. Yes.
That's fantastic. And that's from Hornby as well.
Yes, both from Hornby.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wow.
That sounds like a bit of ruckus going on out there, doesn't it?
Sounds like a bit of an adventure's happening.
Oh, well, thank you very much. There's
It's nice, isn't it? These things have just arrived now.
little bits of foam on there to protect it
yeah.
and that,
Don't want them moving around, do you?
Fantastic looking thing.
isn't it?
Right.
That is absolutely beautiful. Well, thank you for taking the time to come on today
Anytime.
and talk about.
Anytime.
And what are they? These are DCC ready.
Yes.
Yeah, so they're not DCC now,
No,
but they're
unfortunately.
DCC ready,
So
and
you
you
just-
need a 21 pin.
21 pin Dakota, that's correct.
Yeah, Dakota, and
Yeah,
you're
just plug
off.
straight in.
Yeah, just take off the body, plug it in, off you go.
Fantastic. I love it. We might have to get you on to do some road tests next week, some rail tests. What do you think? We'll get the test track out.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do.
Fantastic, Finn. Well, thank you for taking the time to join us today. You have yourself a lovely weekend.
Thank you so much for having me on.
We will,
Exciting
and we'll
set
see you next
I'll see
week.
you all next time, guys.
All right.
Thank
see
you.
Finn.
Thanks, Finn.
Bye-bye.
That was awesome.